Hello and welcome into the 3D. Today we are going to learn how to change the background color randomly in Unity. This is a simple tap to play game that I have created, and the game resets every time when we die, so we want to make the background color change when the game resets. To be able to do that, I am going to my scripts folder, right click on this area and create a C# script. I will rename this as background color. Then we need to attach the script to our gameplay camera, which is this one for me. Currently, this is where we get the background color, so what I will do, I will drag and drop the background color script to my main camera. Great! Now we can double click and open our background color script. The script that we're gonna write is too simple, and you should understand it easily if you have a bit C# or any coding experience. Let me open a GUB here, and let's write public color, create an array by adding square brackets, and rename it as colors, and close it with semicolon. So we have created a public class color array, and we need to tell the engine to pick a random color from this array when the game starts or resets. To do that, first call the camera .main.backgroundColor. Camera.main.backgroundColor is equal to colors, open a square bracket and type random.range, open another bracket and type 0, colors.length. Close the bracket, then close the square bracket and add semicolon to the end. So we have created a color array and tell our camera to set the background color randomly, depends on how many colors that we have. We are done with the script. Press Ctrl and S to save it. Then let me minimize the screen. If I go to my main camera, you will see that the script that we have attached before has an empty list of colors. Let's add some colors by pressing this plus icon and set the colors as you wish. For the first one, I want to keep it same as my original color and make sure you assign different colors to each element. Great, I'm happy with these colors, so if I press play, you will see the background color change randomly, and if I die, it will give us a different color. I hope you liked this tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more content. Once again, thanks for watching, I see you guys next time.